It's time for Schmid Chat with Matthew Schmid. Today's show, Chris the Construction Worker and Bruce the Dragon. And we have Natalie watching. Are they coming or not, Jazzy? I mean, did Cameron the Lion book one of our guests again?
No, they were on the show last week.
Oh, well then come on in Chris and Bruce.
Hello, hello. Hello.
So guys, how does it feel to be on the show?
It is very good. Yeah. Natalie's being freaked out by us, I think.
What? Well then, turn around, Natalie.
Okay.
Ignore her again. She's just watching the show. So guys, how did it feel to be on the Cameron the Lion show last week?
It was really good. I got scared by the lion though. Where did the dragon go? Oh, just right here. I had to go to the bathroom.
Oh, that was fast. So guys, what's your favorite colors?
Mine is green. Mine is yellow.
What's your favorite TV show, guys?
My favorite TV show is Bob the Builder. My favorite TV show is... That is a very hard decision. But I think my favorite TV show is Schmid Chat.
Well, you're already on Schmid Chat.
Yep.
So, guys, what's your favorite movie?
Mine is Sesame Street. Mine too.
That's a TV show.
There's a movie too. I also like the Muppets.
Yeah. So, what's your favorite songs?
Mine would probably be... I'm not very sure. Me either. There's a lot of songs, but I'm not very sure. This is getting boring. Cameron the Lion show was way more fun. Yeah, I agree with you. Wait for me in the car, Bruce. Okay? I'll be right there. Okay.
Guys. Hey, can I turn around there now? Are they down? Are they gone
That's
yet?
it for today's show.
Can I turn around
Tune
now?
in next time for another show.
Can I turn around now? Are they gone?